What's the rarest element on Earth, so elusive that you'll never hold it in your hands? Meet francium. This mysterious element sits quietly at the bottom of the periodic table, barely existing, yet fascinating scientists for decades. Francium is so unstable, it disintegrates within minutes. Imagine this. Even if you somehow got your hands on it, it would vanish before you could blink. That's the magic and the mystery of francium. Now, here's a fun fact. If you had just 1 gram of francium, it would cost billions of dollars. But don't get too excited. This isn't something you can buy. It decays almost instantly, leaving no chance for anyone to actually possess it. Francium is an extremely rare and unstable element found in trace amounts in uranium and thorium ores. It is primarily located in minute quantities in the Earth's crust, as it is formed through the natural radioactive decay of actinium. Because of its short half-life, the longest isotope, Francium-223, has a half-life of only 22 minutes. Francium cannot be accumulated or mined. It is distributed globally but is incredibly scarce, with less than an ounce estimated to exist at any given time. Have you ever wondered why francium is called a ghost element? Think about it. It's rare, it's fleeting, and most of us will never even see it. Why do you think it earned that name? Leave your guesses in the comments. Francium is located at which place on the Earth? Francium is naturally found in trace amounts in uranium and thorium ores. It is estimated to exist in the Earth's crust, but only in such small quantities that less than 1 gram is present at any given time. And here's an even crazier thought. What would happen if you could actually touch francium? Take a moment to think about it. Here's the answer. Francium is so radioactive that touching it would expose you to an intense burst of radiation, potentially causing severe harm within seconds. What if we dropped francium into water? Here's a hint. It would be the ultimate fireworks show. Francium is part of the alkali metals family, and like its siblings, it reacts violently with water. The reaction would release hydrogen gas, heat, and an explosion, creating a dramatic display. Unfortunately, since francium is so rare and unstable, we've never actually seen this reaction happen. Imagine the sheer energy of this rarest element in action. It would truly be nature's ultimate experiment. Now let's get a little imaginative. What would happen if francium was stable? Would it change the periodic table as we know it? Think about it. An element so powerful yet so stable might completely revolutionize chemistry. It could potentially be used in medicine, energy, or even advanced technology. But this is purely hypothetical, as francium's instability is at the core of its identity. Time for a quick quiz. True or false? Francium is more radioactive than uranium. Think carefully. The answer is true. Francium's isotopes are so unstable that they emit radiation at a much higher rate than uranium. Here's another one. How much francium do you think exists on Earth at any time? Is it A, 1 gram, B, 1 kilogram, C, 100 grams? Ready for the answer? It's less than 1 gram. That's right. The entire planet has less than a gram of francium at any given moment. That's how rare it is. Let's take a trip back to 1939. Imagine being Marguerite Perey, a young scientist working with radioactive elements and suddenly discovering francium. Would you feel excited or terrified? Think about the thrill of discovering something no one had ever seen before, paired with the danger of handling such a radioactive substance. Marguerite must have felt a mix of pride and fear, knowing she had just uncovered one of the rarest secrets of the natural world. And now for the final thought of the day. If you could invent a use for francium, what would it be? With its extreme radioactivity and fleeting existence, the possibilities are wild and imaginative. Could it serve as a supercharged energy source? Or would it be used in experiments to uncover the mysteries of the atomic world? Let us know your ideas. Your answers might surprise us all. If you enjoyed this video, come on this channel for more innovative video clips.